Now we have learned what integers are. Integers are negative integers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on. 0 and 1, 2, 3, 4, all these are positive integers. From 1 onwards they are positive, and minus 1 onwards towards the left they are negative integers, and 0 is neither positive nor negative. And all of these together are called integers. Now, what is the meaning of absolute value of an integer? Absolute value, though the name is sounding like something what God knows what it is very easy. Absolute value of any number means writing that number without the sign. And this is the symbol for absolute value. So when two small vertical lines are given, khadi lines are given like this, and inside that if any integer is written, say for example minus 15. So how do you read this? Absolute value of minus 15. So I just told you absolute value of an integer means writing the number, the integer without the sign. So absolute value of minus 15 will be 15. Now if I have to find out the absolute value of plus 9. So again it means I write the number without the sign. That's all. So it's very easy. Just take off the sign. It becomes absolute value. Okay. So how will we add two given integers on the number line? Now we know that all these from 1 onwards are positive. This is negative. Now one thing when you are adding, you have to remember is that if you are adding any number, you move to the right, and if you have to reduce or you have to subtract to make the number smaller, we move towards the left. We have done this earlier also. So the number has to increase, we have to move to the right, and if the number has to decrease, subtraction, we move to the left. Okay. So that is one very important thing that you have to remember. Okay. So now the numbers that we have to add is minus 4 and 6. So minus 4. So whenever we start any adding, subtracting, we start from 0 first of all. So first number is minus 4. Okay. So minus 4 means we have to go towards the left. Minus is towards the left because it is reducing. So from 0, I will count 1, 2, 3, 4 towards the left, and I will reach minus 4. And now the second number is 6. If there is no sign, it means it is positive. It is a positive integer. From minus 4, I have to, plus 6 means I have to go towards the right. So minus means you go to the left, and if it is plus, you go to the right. So here it was minus 4. We always start from 0. So minus 4. When you go 4 places to the left, you will reach minus 4. So straight away you can go to minus 4 if you want. Then plus 6. Okay. No sign means it is plus sign. And because it is 6, so plus 6 and 6. If it is plus, we have to move to the right. So we are here now. Okay. So from here, I have to move 6 places to the right because it is plus 6. So let me count. So you don't need to count this minus 4. After that, you start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So where will you reach? 2. So you put an arrow here and you show that you have moved these many places. So from minus 4, you have moved 6 places to the right to show that plus 6. So, and where did you reach? 2. Therefore, on the number line, when you added these two numbers, your final answer is 2. So whether you write 2 or whether you write plus 2, it is one and the same. Okay. Any number without a sign is plus. So it will become plus 2. That's how you do it on the number line. Now I've written one more. So I'll do that one now. Okay. So I have to rub this out. So you'll have to keep drawing different number lines for each question. Okay. For each addition that you do, you'll have to draw a separate number line. Now here the first number is 8. So it doesn't have a sign, meaning it is plus. So I need to move to the right. At 8 places, right from 0. So if I go 8 places, where will I reach? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. So if you don't want to do this first numbers counting, you can omit it. You can straight away go to the first number wherever you see it on the number line. Okay. Like here the first number was -4. So straight away you can go to -4. And here you see 8, you straight away go to 8. Now the second number is -7. Okay. So I told you if it is minus, you move to the left. Remember this. Minus, move to the left. So you are at 8 now and you have to move 7 places to the left. So let us start. So I start moving from here. Okay. Yes. How many? 7 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where will I reach? I'll reach here. And what number is that? That is 1. So here I'll write -7 and you will show the direction in which you have moved. You can put 2 arrows also, no worries. So you have started from 8. You took 7 steps to the left because it is -7. And where did you reach? 1. So you write 1 or you write +1. It is the same. So here we had the first number negative, then positive. Here we had positive, then negative. Now let me take an example wherein both the numbers are negative. Say for example, this is -2 and then it is say 4. Okay. So both are negative. Then what will we do? Now I told you whatever is the first number, you can straight away go to that number on the number line. So the first number that you see is -2. So I can straight away go to -2. Or what is the other method? You first go to 0 and then if it is minus, you go to the left these many places. So if you're doing that also, where will you reach? From 0, if you count 1, 2 to the left, you will reach -2 only. So it is easier to just start with that number, whichever is the first one. So you start from -2. Okay. So your car has begun from -2. What is the next number telling you? That you have to move 4 places. And if it is minus, means to the left. So this thing you learn it like however you can. That if the sign is minus, you move to the left, and if it is plus, then you move to the right. Learn this thoroughly. So here 4 means how many places you have to move, and minus means you have to move to the left. So from here I have to move 4 places to the left. So I'll count. No counting this -2, the number after that. 1, 2, 3, 4. I will count 4 places I have reached here, and you put this line here, and you have traveled like this. So you put the arrow here. You have done -4. And where did you reach? -6. So -2 -4 is equal to -6. So this is your final answer. It's very easy to add on the number line. Okay, you just have to remember this. If it is minus, move to the left. If it is plus, you move to the right. And whatever number is given, those many places.